going on? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, quick FSD beta update for everyone. I still am stuck on 12.3.6 because I got a hardware 3 car and it still drives phenomenally. And we're using it out here in the DMV area and it works. And if you got a hardware 4 car, you probably are on the 12.5.1 already, but I'm probably going to catch up pretty soon at the same time in this car. But yeah, at the same time, we might be, getting into the hardware 4 eventually too. That's not even, anyways. I really like the hardware 3 and the capabilities that it's, been able to perform. I got to make a separate video on that entirely because, yeah, I've been using it for like 3 years, so I know for sure. But at the same time, I want to, talk about how far it's come along, and it just constantly gets better and better and better and better, and it's at a point where it drives better than most people I know. That's, a lot of people are having trouble digesting that, and even myself, to be honest, it's hard, at this point, 3 years using FSD, I still feel like driving is a lot of fun, it is. But at the same time, it's all about safety at the end of the day. And yeah, you just got to be safe out there on these roads, especially here in the DMV area. You just never know what can pop up. And that's another reason why I like to promote FSD. It's not really all about, technology. It's really about like how you use it, and if you find it's more safer for you to use in certain occasions, then by all means use FSD, just like you see me using it right here in this situation here in the DMV. I just crossed over the bridge starting at the MGM to get into Maryland, and yeah, I'm on my way, into like the Bowie area. So yeah, it's a lot of fun using FSD out here, but at the same time, you got to be really safe about it. And as much as the updates keep coming out, that's more and more vigilant needs to be displayed by everyone, which is really just supervising at the end of the day. You always have to be supervising, and that's the most important, no matter what. It's just kind of like what you're doing driving, and the car does a pretty darn good job at it at this point. And yeah, so let me know what you think in the comments below, because yeah, hardware 3 is definitely something to talk about right now, and its capabilities and how far do we really think it's gonna go. Because when it comes to driving, I mean, come on, it definitely drives, right? So like, hardware 4, yes, I'm sure it drives better, right? But at the same time, it's not like it's not working right now. It works great. I'm really happy with the way it works, honestly. All right, I'm not so happy with the nudge, of course. I don't know why they haven't sent me this update yet. Apparently the nudge is going away, and I'm really excited about that, actually. But at the same time, that involves more vigilantism, as I'm saying. So yeah, just be safe out there on these roads if you decide to use FSD. Like, there's someone riding on my tail right now, and FSD just decides to get off, and just let him go. And these are safe things, I don't mind it. At the end of the day, like, you want to go. I'm not even like, in that much of a rush. It's okay. And so, I don't know. At the end of the day, I like the way FSD drives. It makes great decisions on the road, and if I ever feel the need to take over, I take over in that given second, And yeah, right now it's kind of putting me smack down in the middle of 2 cars like this. This is kind of the most tense situation that FSD really can pull off when it comes to driving. And man, I have to say, 12. Whatever this is, 3.6. Yeah, it's legit, and it works really well. And yeah. I want to thank everyone for watching this video. Hopefully this was a fun one. We're out here in the DMV area trying to test it out as much as possible. So yeah, hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and be sure to subscribe for more. Thanks again for watching. And have a great day.